Ni MEERI yukite thiku imwe tu thutha wa ruhonge rwa kuramata thogora wa maguta bururi-ini kuguithia betoro na thendi 22 na thogora wa dithuru na ciringi 10 tu o hari rita. Undu uria ukoretwo urehete mawoni matiganite gatagati ka Akenya. Umuthi Minista akiuga mweri turorete Akenya maya kwenderio maguta na thogora wa thi.
We are hopeful that in the wake of the truce between the USA and Iran, the global market of petroleum products is going to stabilize and normalcy is going to resume in the fullness of time.
Akiaria hindi ya kurugurio tabia wa thitima mwena wa Musiro, Wandayi ni ateterithitie ati thirikari ni igerete uria wothe ingihota kugitira Kenya kumana na thogora wa iguru wa maguta.
The benefits will definitely accrue to Kenyan consumers, and as government we remain their guarantor. Yes, we remain their guarantor. We just want to call for understanding as with the situation. So by and large, we are looking forward to better times.
Ihinda-inĩ riu Wandayi ni augire kuri na maguta ma kuigana nginyagia mweri turorete wa 7 ari njira imwe ya kugitira wagi wa maguta bururi-ini.
We are working with the private sector in the long term to ensure that we have got to petroleum strategic reserve, okay, in the country. But more critically, in the longer term again, there are talks and there are plans to establish a regional refinery along the East African coastline. That will be very, very useful in terms of ensuring security of supply of petroleum products, not only for Kenya, but for the entire East African region.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Wambui wa Ndirango.